Just go to my links. Okay, that, and then set up my chats. Come on, Twitch, what you doing? It would appear I'm not able to load Twitch at all for some unknown freaking reason. Happens sometimes and usually doesn't work at all for a long time. So sadly, we cannot get the Twitch chat to work at all. It really just doesn't want to work. It doesn't want to load on my side. Let me try closing my browser completely, maybe then it works. Oh, looks like we got something. Great. Thankfully, it's running. Go to my live here on the side. Okay. And let's make sure that this works. Nice. Now I just need in my link. List in YouTube as well. And there we go. All done. Time to get the hell to work. All right. Today we're working on abilities. That's what we're doing today, mainly working on abilities. So we'll do the boomerang first. Let's name this to be PW, so like BP weapon. What am I doing? Into other static mesh. Static mesh. How do you write it? Where did my tab go? What the hell? Boomer Yep. That is how you write it. This is the boomerang. Let's keep it like this, so I can rotate this separately. Why do I keep closing my tab? I'll move this down and center it in here. Let's make it flat. What size is my weapon? But it is 0.08. Okay. Oh. 0.08. Is that too small though? Put them side by side for comparison. No, looks about right, I guess. Well, I guess you don't want this to be a bit bigger for the impact, right? Just a bit bigger. No. Wrong spot. Need to center it nicely. Sadly, the pivot point I have it there because I didn't want to stress too much with making it perfect when putting it on my character. But this will do just fine. It will do just fine. Now there will be something we need to add to our character. We'll add another scene. And this scene will be boomerang. basically will be somewhat able to, when the character is looking in a direction, will set the boomerang to go forward. So, that might not be the best idea actually, because this is not powers. It's a boomerang, goes what you throw it and comes back. Basically, let's just get it, see if it works. On event begin play, we're doing a timeline. Boomerang. Kind of wanted to make it go to a certain location that the player is aiming at with a lerp instead. That would be more reliable than a timeline. But then I definitely can see people try to abuse that. Though instead of this, actually, we can go for a timer. Let's avoid timelines. Timelines don't do well in multiplayer games, and especially with different FPS across different accounts. I'll go for something like this. I'll call again to custom event. RPC boomerang movement. What this will do is we'll get a location from our biscuit guy ahead, and then it will try to go there and then go back to the biscuit guy. Oh boy, sorry for all the chewing. I made this something very tasty. Server. This is quite a bit of columns on server, but we'll see how it works first and then make adjustments. So on event begin play, get from our owner has to be biscuit guy, and get vector forward vector. Give me a second to remember how this works again, because I always get confused with the forward vector. I made it in a few places here, so let me just find it. Okay. So this plus this. Get the forward vector. This will give us the forward. Let's do a line trace just to see what it is. Let's be a trace. This is the end and start, and then make the radius 100 so we can see what it would be. Yeah, we'll do just that for now. and then send our Bisky guy the attack log, no, not attack logic, special abilities in the boomerang. Do spawn actor from class. The spawn is actor location. Okay. We gotta set the owner as self so they can communicate. Okay, let me play. Let me switch this to boomerang. So that the game knows we have a boomerang. Second. Should have already swapped to boomerang. That's weird. Oh, but to see, need to see again what I got in here. So this will definitely be set to boomerang. Okay, let's see what happens when I right click anyway. I'm not sure why I'm moving for. Oh, I know why I'm moving for, because I'm spawning the boomerang. So it's just adjusting location. Then it gets destroyed. Try to adjust, but always spawn, and then let's just disable the collision for this. No collision. This way it'll just spawn. Okay, it's not running. Print. So we are spawning boomerang. I think it's only visible on the server. Or if we need to do a multicast. Oh yeah, we do need to do a multicast. Goddamn. Forgot to replicate, right? Okay, nothing now. Okay, that works. Nice. Set this, but this, I don't know what scale I have, so I don't want to affect it. works. So I don't see where 9 trace happens. Did I not set it to debug? It's possible that I didn't. Yeah, no debug. Okay. It works. That would be basically the point where the boomerang will spawn and go. If I'm walking, which definitely need to be way further though, like 700. And then when it spawns, we get this location. Let's promote this. Location to need to run this on server because I don't want players to be able to control this in any way. Initialize boomerang. See. Server. Now here, this will be calling this every 0.01 seconds, just to see if it works. Move to character location. To here, or is it interpolate? I think the fuck slurp. And I just try like this. Set actor location. Just to light this one out to see if it works. It's happening. Print. What the hell? So the timer is not running. Need to rename this. Okay, timer is running, location is not changing. Oh, wait, the alpha. Let's see what one does. So it already reached the point. Engine crashed. Oh god, what the fuck was that? Whoa! Damn. Okay, that was maybe too big of a number. Let's do 5 instead. Where you going? That is weird. I think I should go get a refresher. Yo, kawaii. Hello. Not much, man. I'm just eating these. You know how they are saltlets? I call them sugarlets. It's just bread with sugar. It's very tasty. No puffs. I ate the puffs already. Man, I watched your video 2 or 3 times even. To be honest, you're doing things so fast and shit that I have no idea what's going on for the most part. It's just like, oh, he doing this, then he doing that. Oh, wait, we're going back to this, and then to this. Okay. Suddenly we on to the next one. Like, I don't know what to say. For the most part, I was just like, damn, we're going fast. Wait, hold on. Suddenly we got whole ass features ready. But I guess that's just how these videos work, right? Understandable. I guess that's why I don't watch those guys. Oh, that was fast. Goddamn. 0.01. The video itself was well made, beside the taskbar. The taskbar was really pissing me off. Still very fast. How about we do interp instead? Vector interp 2. Let's try this instead. Why would you think about that? Who the hell wants to see your damn taskbar? Like, honestly, should have gotten rid of it. Maybe you should just go cover it now in the video. I really don't see why, but okay. Okay. You do you, my guy. Still very fast. Wait, give me a second. I'm no good with interps and lerps. I don't use these often. Let's do 100, see if that makes a difference. It does not. What the hell? Does it go like this instead? Like, is it 0 to 1? It goes a bit slower. A little bit. Though I didn't quite like how it slows down, so I think interp. What the fuck? And target direction with them must be normalized. No thanks. Interp and go constant. Will that help? Like, it slows down at the end and I don't like that. Oh, where'd you go? I see it spawn and then fucking disappears. Oh, oops. My bad. Oh shit, let me lower this. I wanna keep this low so I can use the footage later, right? Yo, look at it, it's fucking going. Hell yeah. Wait, why is he saying 000 though? It's going. Oish. Now let's add movement to it. Make it rotate. Wanna learn something new? I don't know if you know about this. Blueprint class, static mesh component. Let's see if it's this one. I'm not 100% sure anymore. It is not this one. No, it is this one. Okay. Okay. Boomerang. We'll set this to 0.1 and not on thick. Should I do on thick? Let's just do on thick for now. And rotation. Just wait, what was it to make it spin 1? Z, I guess. And then we'll swap this. Well, oh, I didn't name it. That. Boomer. Static mesh. Way they placed it though. Let's see if that works. Not entirely sure anymore. Okay, let's hide this one. Oh, I'm spinning it the wrong way. What axis do I need to spin on? Wait. Oh, on the Y. Okay, my bad. I don't like the way it's spinning. Yeah, that's because of the pivot point. Okay, never mind. Anyway, did you get it? I don't know if you knew about it already, but basically you can make your own static meshes. So the same as when you usually add a static mesh here, like a cube, right? When you add the cube, you can create your own static meshes and add code to it to do something. For example, I also have the fan, where the fan is. Yeah, SM fan, which does the same thing, but the fan works better. So I don't have to do extra coding on my character to make the fan's blade spin. There, quick tutorial. Take it away. This shit is addicting. Yes, the fan in that case, I already have it here. It's hidden at the moment, but basically let me switch to fan. So you see now it's empty, and then I add the fan. It's already here. Let me just make it visible. Right now it's not spinning, but then when I go and play in game, it is spinning. See? And the code, it's on the static mesh component itself, not on my character. This thing is not spinning here. It's spinning on the character. Oh shit, this switch. I need to fix this. Yo, now that I think about it, I was thinking, actually, never mind. I was thinking something else. Wait, Can this just be swapped? Though I feel like anything you put in here is gonna be rotating. Okay, never mind. I had another idea. Basically, I'm gonna have to do some extra code to hide or unhide the fan blades because they are not related, and only make it appear if it's a fan as the weapon. But yes. Well, yeah. Glad you like it. Yeah, I don't use this often. I'd rather just do it manually anyway. And yeah, we don't do this anymore because of the pivot point, so I'm just still gonna do it on the actor itself for this case. Okay. And in here also, I'll do the spinning. The rotation. And we'll add each time. Let's see how bad that looks. I put on the wrong axis, didn't I? I think now it is on the Z. Also, I think 100 was too much actually. Let's do 10. See, I knew it's something with 100. I knew with the Z, not the Y. Goddamn. Okay. Good luck. Hope it goes well. Keep me up to date. Yo, the boomerang works. Hell yeah, look at that. It's actually going. Now we gotta make it come back. We need to make it come back to the player. So we'll get the owner. Actually, here we'll make a reference. We'll call this one reference. Here we'll be checking his location. Character location. Boomerang move to again. And we'll do we need something that lets us get like an approximation, not the exact value, because on the server it's unlikely that you'll always get the same values. GPT. Oh yeah. Already get distance. Okay. Distance. Which will do like this. Lesser than. Let's do 10. And if that's true, let's print it for now. Reached point. And once it reaches its destination, we'll send it back. Wow, why are you so slow suddenly? It's a bit faster, but still slow as fuck. Okay, reach point, nice. 1. I'm just gonna go instant, I guess. It's still slow as fuck. But I thought this only goes from 0 to 1. I guess not. Okay. Alright. Five. Then I'll increase this one again to 800. Nice. Then once it reaches that point, we can trigger something else. Do once, and this will be the return. We'll do another timer. But actually, you know what? We can do it with a branch. Branch. Here we'll add a boolean. This. Reach point. If it reach point, set it to true. This will be false. Okay. And when it does reach point, we'll copy this whole thing again. And let me see. Yeah, also here we'll get the actor prior reference, get actor location, and we'll set it again, boomerang move to. And now we should do the same thing. Wait, I don't even need to do all this actually. I just change that and then it's just gonna go back. I chewed the list. Let's see if that works. Well, okay, that worked. But we need to be actually we need to keep getting the actor's location actually, because the player gonna be moving around. Whoa, damn, it actually works. Hell yeah. Oh no. What have I done? I've created a monster. Goddamn. Oh, that's funny. So we throw boomerang, it comes back, it gets stuck in us. But hey, it actually works. Hell yeah. Oh god. Nice. Now we'll make it when it reaches point a second time. Let's delete these, we don't need these. Certainly works great. This needs to be, unfortunately, actually no, it doesn't. Eventually it will update and still go. Okay. Need to do an overlap on this. Overlap. Ski guy. Do here. Let's not overlap everything. Make it custom. We only want to overlap the one. Hit player. And we need to pass this. Let's make sure it's set to server, and we need to pass this. It could be Bisky guy. Hit. Pass that, and here we'll do a branch. From the wrong place. Check here. Is equal. Well, basically we're checking if the player hit is the same as the player that threw the boomerang. If it is true, we'll destroy actor. And for now also set visibility. Set actor hidden in game, just to see if it works. Okay. Oh, crap. Hold up. It's spawning right in us right now, so we'll do one more branch. Take here the breach point so that nothing happens until we actually come back. Only when we're coming back. Batman from comic books, welcome to the stream. It's going pretty good. I'm making a bat meringue. Okay, I'm calling it boomerang here, but then if you look at my here, no, not there. Where the hell did I write? Wait, well, since your name is Batman, wanted to show you everything here. It's a bat. Bat boomerang or bad meringue. Yeah, it's going great. Just making a boomerang that goes away and comes back to the player. Need to lower this. Okay, so unless this is set to true, nothing happens. Hell yeah! Oh, you're a hell yeah person. I love that. I also hell yeah a lot. The hell do I got here? Oh, from food today. My bad. Eat like a pig, I guess. Okay, watch this. Boomerang! It works. And if I throw it and walk away, it still comes after me. I feel like it's damn fast though. And suddenly it's so slow. Look at them go. Ooh. Boomerangs. It works. I'm happy that it works. So I need to make it faster than the player, so when you throw it, it can actually hit another player, right? And I definitely need to make this go even further, because when you are walking, you just reach that point so fast. It's not fast enough. It's fast enough to catch up to me. Oh yeah, wait. Let me do something. I am the knight. I am Batman. Dark. Okay. So it seems that once I put it above... Once I put... What? Wait, what? But earlier it wasn't like this. What the hell? Now it's slow. Slow. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It's speeding up for no reason. That is not quite right. That's odd. Why would it be speeding up? Pum 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 pum. Yeah, the more I do it, the faster they go. That is extra weird. And let's try to do this on event tick instead, just to see if that changes anything. Is that a code? Break this. Wait, no, don't break this. All this. RPC to boomerang movement. Break that. Yeah, we need to skip this for now. So we'll get some errors at the start, but we'll see how it goes, I guess. And that is it's not moving, is it? Not moving at all. Okay. We're going forward. Oh, why did you remember that spot? Oh, I like to. It's fine. Let's see if it ends up speeding up. Yep, it is speeding up. Might have something to do with this, I guess, then. I'll have to look it up a bit. I'm doing GPT about it. I've never seen this happen before, to be honest. Where it works the way it's supposed to work first, but then the more you do it, the faster it goes. Maybe this will solve it. Let's see. Yeah, disconnect this. Are you going forward? It is going forward. Just very slow. 100, see what happens. Let me save, just in case. Okay. It's going extremely slow. Get world delta seconds. Delta time. Okay, so I earlier applied in the wrong kind of seconds. This is too fast. Let's do 500. Oh god, it's barely catching up. 750. Always the in-between best, right? Let's just see if this ends up speeding up at all. No. Seems like now it's constant. Pretty decent. And it still comes back to the player too. Let's do sweep, see what happens. Oh god, okay. We're going to need some sort of collision here. For visibility, I guess. Visibility. What are the ones here? Collision. What the hell do you mean default? Damn it. Custom. All static, okay. So let's block world static then. No, that should be all static, right? And it's still going through. Weird. Let's block everything, see what happens, I guess. Oh god, no! I become a helicopter. Jesus Christ. Wait, that looked hella funny though. Hoi! It's coming! Goddamn! It's taking me somewhere. It's definitely taking me somewhere. Ooh, I'm stuck. Ooh, doo. Wait, we'll have another one. Okay, it's not doing anything. Oh god! Okay. The boomerangs are taking me. The boomerangs are taking me away. Now I'm really stuck in this duck. God, flying. No, that's funny. Gotta fix that. Damn it. Okay, why is it not colliding with anything though? Whether we sweep the destination location, triggering overlaps along the way and stopping short of the target block or something. Only the component is swept and checked for blocking collision. Child components move without sweeping. If collision is off, this has no effect. Okay, understandable. So the problem is that this here doesn't have something. So we'll add a sphere, cube. Add a cube, and oh god, the cube is too big. We'll hide it, but it's huge though. And if I try to make it smaller, it's gonna affect the whole boomerang as well. Aye. Not a cube, we need something smaller. Something tiny. Material sphere. Huge. Problem is, once you make something a root, you cannot adjust its size. So I have to make something. Does this have any collision settings? Shouldn't do. Nah. Gonna have to make something custom. Huge. Huge. Massive. No. No. It will be that thing. Oh my god. No. Huge. That's about it. Yeah. I guess we're making something custom then. God damn it. Biscuit is somewhat the size of it, I guess. Gonna react weird. So I could put this here. I'll make it hidden. Visible. And then we can spawn it. But the problem is now it's getting stuck. Ha! Dodged it. I become white. Goddamn. Yeah, now they get stuck, unfortunately. Oh. Welcome back. You missed something very funny. You want to see it again? Yes, okay. Give me a sec. Watch this. I'm gonna get abducted by boomerangs. Whoa. It's a feature. God damn. It's a feature, my boy. Ride the boomerang. Boomerang powers. No, sadly not. It's funny though. And then it stabilizes. Now I'm spinning too. Nah, I'm not gonna. This is too crazy. This is gonna be game breaking. I'm good. Thanks. Turn it into a mechanic. It would make the boomerang too overpowered then. But yeah, that was what happened earlier. Funny. Gotta turn that into a clip. Yeah, I need to stop chewing this shit. I'm still chewing this. You left. Come on. Put it away. I am from Dubai. See this? You see this? By Dubai. What if when you pull out the boomerang throws you instead of throwing it? Okay, listen, that's a great idea, but that's not the kind of game we're making here. It's ground with advanced shit. But that's not the point. This is just a weapon. We throw it forward, it hits some enemies, it comes back to you so you can use it again later. That's it. Nothing else. Yes, I know, and it does have funny mechanics. Just not in that direction. Hey, you go make a game, and you do what you want to do. Let me do what I do. Okay. Yeah, so currently I have an issue. You see, when you throw it, it goes through the wall, right? Goes through the wall, and it does come back to you, no matter where you go. The boomerangs will always find their way back. Problem is when I try to stop it from going through the wall, it gets stuck there. What for? What do we need a sphere for? Exactly. No. Wait, let me show you again. The problem is that it gets stuck because of that's how the engine works, right? Let me switch this to the biscuit. Turn off stability. So normally this is how a game works. You say, "Oh God, it's huge." What the fuck? Wait, why is it huge? Why is this a 10? So we throw it and it gets stuck to the wall because we don't want it to go through the wall. But now it is still trying to reach the destination, but it cannot. So I'm thinking after like I don't know, 2 seconds, if it hits the wall, to come back. So basically if it hits the wall, just come back. Would be kind of shit. Yeah, it's also getting stuck on me right now, but I can fix that, not a problem. So right now we could do this instead. Generate heat events, and on heat we'll trigger this, I guess. Zero Domain, hello, welcome to the stream. How you doing? What's up? How the hell did you stumble here? Out of all the streams, you stumble here. Is it because of my beautiful face? I'm kidding. Though I've heard that if I show my ugly mug, more people are likely to come. So far, 2 people came. I'm happy. Okay, 3 with kawaii on YouTube. It's colliding with me. No! The heat, it's colliding with me. Oh yeah, kawaii, this is the code, by the way, if it interests you. For making the boomerang go and come back. Oh, I can do something though. Here, block all custom and ignore pawn. Physics bodies. And leave only static and dynamic. Okay, now should be able to spawn it. Yes. Okay, so it hit the wall, Why didn't it come back? Oh, because I turned it off. My bad. Let's see if that works. Works? Works. Hey, Zero Domain. Are you a dev? Or do you just enjoy watching other people stream? Okay, but what if he gets in the way of something? Ah, of course he just gets stuck there. What if on the way back, after you hit something, we disable collision, we disable the sweep, and then it just comes back to you through any wall, basically. Oh yeah, look at that, Kawaii. It actually works. We, oh god, I'm white. Let me become Batman. I'm Batman. When we hit the wall, it just comes back. Instead of just being stuck there. Which I think is pretty good. Pretty good. Oh yeah, I currently have the speed set up all the way. So if I try to sprint, it goes... Too many obstacles. Full speed. Yeah, that works. That works pretty good, I guess. So yeah, on the return, we can do this. Let's see if that works. So I'll throw it this way and then I hide. And yeah, look at that. It came back through the wall. Throw it again. Okay, if I throw it like this, it bonks the wall, it comes back. And then if it doesn't hit anything, it comes back to me. Nice. Oh, boomerang. We did boomerang. Now we actually need to make it be able to hit players. So here I have a check which checks if the player hit is the owner of the boomerang, whoever threw it. If it is, don't do shit, like false, don't do shit. If it is, just respawn, just despawn. Okay. I need, get him. 1 second, I forgot how to do the ragdoll. Forgot what I've done there. So I have this whole thing. But I want to make it based on overlap. Oh yeah, wait, how am I doing the this one? RPC hit enemy trace. Oh, so I'm just calling this. Waha. You know, by our player. But here, shit. This is gonna be called right beside our player. Okay. Okay. We need to pass. We need to make a change here. Shit. I have to redo a part of the code then. It's just here though. Okay. Let's add a vector as well. Which will be the actor's location. Apply this here. I don't want to do this. You know why? And this is a networking thing. Which radius, and now I think about it, it's also a bad thing to do it like that. Basically, you see this here. Oh wait, we're running this on the server, so it's fine actually. We're taking the server's location. Yeah, so let's say you first call this for the very first time. Like straight on this overlap, right? Straight on this overlap without anything else before it, another RPC, another custom event that runs on the server. This will be called straight by the client, right? Now any value you pass through here are actually accessible to the client, meaning that if somebody wants to hack, all they need to do is change this location to the location of every player on the map. And this is gonna cause every player on the map to get hit. So that's why you must always make sure that what you are passing is what's the word, authoritative, verified by the server. So here we are running this execute on server, so anything that comes after that, it's running on the server's version of the game. So we should be good. I can see you doing 100s. But I hope you get what I meant. You must never allow players to send the server information directly, because when you do, you give them window to hack it. You must always use info data that it's on the server. Lamau, yes. Okay, attack location. We'll get actor location. So this will be the location of our boomerang, and then how big do we want this? How big did I set this initially? Normal attack radius 60, so we'll do like 80. Let's see how that works. Like you see here, also I have switch has authority, meaning that this code only runs on the server and not on the remote client as well. I hope that helps. You don't find tutorials talking about this kind of shit. Okay, goes forward, comes back. Let's do 2 players. Oh god, I've been playing a server. I hope everything still works as intended. It works. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So if I want to hit this guy, it works. Hell yeah. So then if we'd have multiple players, like let's go full. The best tutorials other than mine and your channel has to be out open the door in G5. I know, right? Okay, let's see. So multiple people. Ooh, got him. Nice. Fuck off. Your damn adders. The impulse didn't work though. And the impulse didn't work because We are getting the location of our actor. Okay, so I need to move this here. Yo, where am I? I lost. And call this, and then also give this here. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, bonk. Do we have any impulse? Doesn't look like it. Wait. What is this? The hell is this? Hey, Gita. Why do I have this? What I do here? And why didn't that work? We did pass the location. And we did do the impulse. Let's do the same thing again, but through here instead. Honestly, I don't even remember what the hell I did here anymore. I'm gonna need to pass the vector again. I'll rename it later. And we're passing this. Oops, I missed. We are not doing impulse. Don't mind that guy twitching. That's just the twitch you are seeing. It's Unreal trying to get similar positions for the physics actors on all clients. Most of the time it works fine, then other times you get stuff like this. Okay, but where is my I've played Among Us, yes, that was ages ago. Now the latest kind of game like that I played was Lockdown Protocol. Pretty similar. I do not. Though if I would try to make it, probably I could make it eventually. Though out of the top of my head, not exactly. I guess I would use like rope physics. Wait, actually, the physics in general are not working at all anymore. What the fuck? What? Oh, what? You type slow. It's not working. When I click on the rope, I want it to get stuck to my mouse cursor so I can drag it. I think you can use constraints for that, though I'm not sure. I've never played with rope before, so I can't really say. You can attach the rope to an object and then move that object, not the rope itself. So you can use constraints to attach the rope to the object and then move that object instead of moving the constraints. Instead of moving the rope itself. Because you know how you can attach something to the end of a rope. You can use that instead to move the rope. One end of the rope. Like he deleted the project. I don't know, I never done that either. Yeah, so see like this. See how they did it here, this tutorial by Gorka, sadly, but sadly. No, Gorka, I'm sorry. You didn't mean it like that. I just remember Kawaii had some issues with Gorka in the past. But yeah, so just like that. So just connect the rope to an object and then you move that object. I think that's the best way to do it. I know I don't like you. You don't remember you told me. You were trying to help somebody in the Discord server. I remember. It's unfortunate. Oh, I'm actually curious. What was it that you were helping with? I want to know if I know. Okay, now seriously though, why is my cast not working here? RPC do ragdoll, multi do ragdoll. No. Wait, what mesh we pulling here? RPC mesh. Pisky guy. Ragdoll reference. Skeletal mesh. We're supposed to be passing this. Can't exactly remember, but it was a long time ago on a Thursday night. I was like, oh, so you remember the day, but not what it was. Yeah, it's okay. It's all good. Okay, too many players. Let's go back to 2. So our impulse is not working. For some reason. Oh, on the boomerang I didn't set anything. Good luck. Let me know how it goes later. I hold the hole for you. There we go. Holding for you. Good luck. Oh, we got some physics going on, a little bit. Yes, strength. Let's send them flying to space. It works. Damn. Still work pretty good. Just the values are whoa, what the hell? Oh, I think I know why this is happening, why they don't go very far. It's because we're pushing them downwards. Because when it happens in the center, and that just makes them go down. Let's do like a minus. And we'll do 50 down. So this should spawn like under. Should do the impulse under the enemy. Yeah, it works. Gonna have to add another collision here. Let's go for a sphere collision, just about as big as our boomerang. Do something like this, and this is what we'll use to detect if we hitting anybody. We'll disable the collision for this completely. We'll use the sphere instead. Yeah, I was wondering if I do this instead. Fine. We can use this for collisions, right? That image has bond event. Okay, let me just swap that. We'll be using for detecting collision, and we'll disable everything beside those two, and then we'll swap the hit event. Hit event is here, plug that in, and need to generate hit events. And now here, and delete this and add one more sphere collision, which pretty good, I guess. Make it tiny bit bigger. Yeah. So the boomerang will be spinning inside it. People can tell anyway. Make it custom, disable everything, and put only point. We don't need false triggers. Everything it's performance. We can disable collision completely on this, and collision tester. This one it overlaps. And we'll generate a begin overlap and swap this one. Good. Now that should make hitting more accurate as well. Oh, wait, our collision was not working. Custom collision. Hit. Why didn't this trigger? Oh, no collision. Carry on. Wish. We don't need physics. Oh, nice. Looking pretty neat. Very hard to aim, I agree, but yeah. Oish. So now let's add a couple of them, see what happens. Yeah. Ooh, that was good. That felt good. Error. God damn it. Feels good. Feels good. Been streaming for an hour 30. Not bad, not bad. Make myself a bit more comfortable. You know that moment when you put your leg under, feels a lot better. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Sauce, egg, oh it's egg. I had some egg today. God damn it. So stupid. Didn't even notice. There's something there. Gonna make my skin come off. Well, that's a lot better at least. Change this for later. Okay, great. Okay. So far so good. So this works as well. It's good. It's just it's very weak. Very weak. Normal bat. Really gotta fix that early eventually. Let's send them to space. I wasn't kidding. So that works. It's just weak. It's okay. Let's make it 5. Don't know what the hell is wrong with it, but it is what it is. Damn, so earlier that bonk was so hard that they even went flying through the collision. Cause like, I have a collision up here. It's not visible. But then if I enable collision, let's just look straight at collision. Play collision. And Collision. There we go. See here, there's a whole wall, right? The roof. Meanwhile, our guy just went flying straight past it. Ugh. Crazy. Got that working. What else we have in here? So we're done with the hammer. The hammer makes them fly up. We did the boomerang now. Works great. We're just missing animations for some stuff. The fan also works great. Now is the ice cube. Wait, the ice cube. Ice cube just freezes everybody. Should be easy to make. For the ice cube, I need to pass everybody over. So here I need player. Oh, but shouldn't do ragdoll. Shouldn't do ragdoll. Right click. Oh wait, I remember what the fuck I did here now. Okay. It's okay, what we did earlier works fine. Here on the ice cube. We'll have to do the ice cube in here as well, I guess, or no. But we need to get all the players. And for that we need to skip the I should do a whole different thing here. Should do a separate sphere trace on right click. Let me just copy this. Paste it in. Am I running on server? Yes, so this whole thing will run on the server. We'll get the actor. Get actor location. The radius will be. Hey, what's the radius for this? The hammer radius 700. 700. I should make some custom events and just call all these separately. Functions. Let's do BP. Oh wait, I picked wrong. Let's do BP. Biscuit guy.
Oh, I think I can do just disable movement. Disable movement. This will disable their movements. We do a delay in a for each loop. I'm not sure about that. I don't think that's gonna be good. I think we should call this on the player itself. Custom event. Disable. Call for disable one of this heat layer. I'm gonna go with the long name because it will be rather confusing. And now we'll do disable movement. And then we can do a timer here. Not timer, we'll do a delay. A delay will do. Let's test 2 seconds. Nah, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, just to see if I can do it. And then what was it? I need to set walking mode, set basically we need to re-enable everything. Remember set movement mode to walking. We need to do this to re-enable the movement. Yeah, that's it. And now we'll call this from the other player. Change this to ice cube. So supposedly we're having the ice cube right now. Let me make it 2 players again. I can move. I right click. So now, oops, I should step away a bit more. So I am this guy here. I right click, I switch to this guy, and he's not able to move. Now he's able to move. So we were frozen for a bit. Nice. The dodge works too. Ooh, yeah, that works. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, what I do? Now for the hydrant is also easy to do. We'll do the same thing. Hydrant and ground. Movement component. Get component. Wait, can I? Character. But wait, again, we need to set this back, so I guess we'll have to go for another custom event all the same. Just to use walking friction on other player. And here we get our character movement, ground, friction, and we set it to 0, which will make everybody slippery. And then
After 4 seconds, we set it back. What do I have it set to currently though? Friction. Ground friction, I have it at 8. Okay. Friction set to 8. Under though. Can I go lower than 8? What if I type it? 0 is maximum. Okay. So this will make our floor slippery for like 10 seconds. Okay, let's test it. So currently I'm this guy on the big screen. I'm able to move normally. I can stop. Good. Now I'm not sure if this works straight out of the box, to be honest. But if I switch to this guy and I forgot something. I need to switch this to hydrant for testing. Okay, now if I right click, I go back to this. Nothing seems different. Wait, did I call that again? I didn't, of course. Reduce walking friction on other player. Okay. Right click, switch. Okay, so it is working, just a bit glitchy. I think it's because we also need to do this on the player itself. Well, wait, let's see how it looks on the other player. So we'll have this guy do it. Let me switch tab. On the other player looks fine. Okay, so yeah, we need to replicate this locally as well. Locally being here. Custom event again. Replicate on owning client. Reduce, restore friction, and we copy the whole thing. Then reduce, restore friction. I call that after the server event. Okay, let's see if that works. Still not great. It is better, but still not great. That smooth thing is supposed to be smooth. Should I do this on a multicast instead? But I don't think that will make a difference. It's not working. We're just running on the. It would be good, but just doesn't want to work. Time to console GPT.
Let's see what GPT says. Oh yeah, we set to longer thinking. Okay. Okay. Your current server timing is not actually synced in that graph. In your screenshot, the server does set ground friction 0, delay 10 seconds, set ground 0, and then calls your... Oh shit, damn, I didn't realize that. Thanks, GPT. This is supposed to be called here. Just before anything happens. Okay. Makes sense. Yeah, sometimes you don't get, I don't catch. Oh, look at that. Nice and smooth, and we're sliding. So why is this interesting? Let's say you are running after somebody and they trigger this, right? Or somebody's chasing you and they trigger this. You're gonna have issues taking corners now. So like this, for example. So I'll trigger it, and now when I go back and I try to take a corner, you see I'm bonking into things. It's not as easy to take the corner anymore. So that's the whole thing with that ability. And all it does also, it's spawning something on the ground, like water. Yeah, that's about it. We did a few abilities today. That's nice. The last one. Wait, not last one. We still have. No, wait, yeah, it will be last one. Damn, okay. Is the magnet. I don't know how to do the magnet yet. I think actually I have an idea. Basically, we need to get all the players and get the look at rotation towards the player that casts the skill, and then apply a force or impulse in the direction towards the player that casts the skill of the magnet, and that should do. Okay, that's something for the next time. For today, good progress. We made the boomerang, and we made the ice cube and the hydrant. Boomerang took a bit, but we made it. Look at that. Not too bad. I do try to keep my code as simple as I can though, because what's the point in making it super complicated? Alright. We streamed exactly 2 hours in just a few seconds. Good work. And thanks to whoever's watching, since I've seen some people come to watch later. Bye bye. 2 hours now.